What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's solve this math question that says find the value of x for which 3 to the x times 3 to the x is equal to 36. Well, our first step will be for us to rewrite this expression. This is 3 to the x times 3 to the x to be equal to 36 is a perfect square, which means it can be written as 6 squared. Well, this can be simplified into 3 to the x times 3 to the x to be equal to 6 squared is same as 6 times 6. Now notice that on the left hand side, this base and this base are the same. And on the right hand side, this base and this base are also the same. So if we have to compare, we say that 3 to the x is equal to 6. Now, since the unknown is an exponent, our next step will be for us to take the log of both sides. And this is going to be the log base 3 of both sides, since what I have here as the base is 3. So take the log base 3 of the left-hand side, which is 3 to the x. This is equal to, also take the log base 3 of the right hand side, which is 6. Now our next step will be for us to apply the power law of logarithm that says when I have, for example, the log of m to the p, this is equal to p log m. Now let's apply this here. So that means this expression can be written as x log 3 base 3, and this is equal to, now we can simplify this 6, so this can be written as a log base 3 of 6 is same as 2 times 3. Now our next step will be for us to apply the law of logarithm here, and we also apply the law of logarithm here. So the law of logarithm we're going to be applying here will be when I have the log of b base b, as long as the number and the base are the same, the result is always 1. What about what we have here? The law of logarithm we're going to be applying here will be when I have the log of a times b, this can be written as the log of a plus the log of b. So now let's apply these two laws separately. So this is x times log 3 base 3 is equal to 1. So this is x times 1. And this is equal to, on the right hand side, we're going to be expressing this like this. So we have the log base 3 of 2 plus log 3 base 3. So x times 1 is x, and this is equal to log 2 base 3 plus, now log 3 base 3 is equal to 1. So the solution for x is equal to log 2 base 3 plus 1. Now let's check if this value is correct. The given question is 3 to the x times 3 to the x equal to 36. We have the left hand side and we also have the right hand side. Now we want to prove that the left hand side is equal to 36. So we take the left hand side. So take the left hand side. Now this is 3 to the x. And what is x? X is log 2 base 3 plus 1 times, so times 3 to the x. X is log 2 base 3 plus 1. So we want to prove if we're going to be having 36. Now from here, we're going to be applying the law of indices that says when I have a to the m plus n, this is same as a to the m times a to the n. So we can express this like this. So this becomes 3 to the log 2 base 3 times 3 to the 1 times, we do this the same way. This becomes 3 to the log 2 base 3 times 3 to the 1. Now, there is a property of logarithm that I'm going to be applying here. The property of logarithm that says when I have, for example, a base of b raised to the log of m base b, so long as this base and this base are the same, the result is the number, which is m. That means this expression, we see that the base here and the base here are the same, so the result will be 2. So this will be 2 times 3 to the 1 is 3 times, now we do the same thing here. The result here will be 2 times 3 to the 1 is 3. And if we have to multiply all this together, 2 times 3 is 6, times 2 is 12, and then times 3 is 36, which is equal to the right hand side. So our value for x equal to log 2 base 3 plus 1 is actually correct. Well, if you have any shorter method that is more preferable, you can show that on the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.